Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to make sender name appear in Outlook. First, you want to go and open Outlook like so. Then you want to go and click on the inbox or the mail section. Then you want to go and click on source by, then click on from. Now let's say that you cannot actually find the from icon or the from option. You should click on view on the top left side right here. Then click on change view. After that, you want to go and click on manage views. Then after that, go and click on modify. Then go and click on columns on the top left side. And now you should select the option from. You should select it from the left side, this menu here or this box here from the left side. You should find an option saying from. After you click on add in the middle right here. Then click on move up in order to make it to the top. Then click on OK, click on OK again, then click on OK again, and you're all done. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and tell me down below in the comments which next subject you want me to make a video about. Thank you for watching and goodbye.